This is the fit. I'm obsessed with this Mazzy Star sweater. It's so good. It's Boxing Day, so me and Robert are going Boxing Day shopping. Apparently everything closes at 5 though, and it's already 11:30. I don't know why I decided to wear white today when it's raining outside, because now my pants are dirty and I spilled food on them also. The stain better come out, that's all I have to say. Little Boxing Day haul. So first and foremost and most importantly, I got Minecraft for the Switch. It was only 30 bucks and I've been missing playing Minecraft. But right now I'm addicted to Splatoon, so I don't think I'll be opening this right now or anytime soon, but I love Minecraft. Then from Uniqlo, you already know, I got another heat tech shirt for when it starts to get freezing, and I only own the turtleneck ones, but I got this cute pink one. Then from Kyoki, first I got this Hello Kitty skincare headband. I only have two and two is not enough, so I definitely needed a third. Oop. And like the little bow is so cute. They gave me a cinema roll mask. I got these earrings. They're so cute. They're just little bows. I wear the same earrings in my first like haul every day, so I just wanted a cute pair to change it up, and I love those. Lastly, I got this Ilion Ceramide Concentrate Cream. I needed a new face moisturizer. That's my haul. It's George and his dinosaur.
It's Mr. Potato! Mr. Potato! Guys, wait, they just have George's dino! Oh my god!
It's going crazy in the Peppa Pig store. Oh my days. Guys, look at this giant Peppa.
You're telling me you don't want this wall decor? I do.
Oh, a Slinky.
Oh my god, no, you're not ready.
Oh.
Guys, they're making fun of us out there.
So I got some things for my desk to make it a little cuter because it's currently hideous. Although I think I'm going to, because I have a black desk right now, I have my old white desk at my parents' house. I might like swap desks and bring my black desk there, but that also sounds like so much work. We'll see if we can make it look cute. I also probably still need to order some things. Let's go. I don't understand what I did wrong, but something is not right. I wish these things came with instructions. I literally have no idea what I'm doing. This is so much cuter than before. I'm obsessed with this. I have YB, Coraline's dad, Simral. It's actually my boyfriend's. I don't think he'll mind. From Bleach, Soul Candy. Oh my god, it just looks so cute. Oh my gosh, the smell is bringing me back to Croatia. I can finally buy the pink blocker. This is the best thing that's ever happened to me. Oh, my laundry. You didn't see that tower. I'm so addicted to Splatoon. It's like not even funny anymore. I started playing this 10 days ago. I have 55 hours. Thank God I didn't start playing this during the school year. I'm a gamer girl through and through.